My name is Robert Christopher Wayne Weathers. I live at 3102 Center Hill Road, Acre, Mississippi, 38841. I am still under attack by Scientology. So let me explain what Scientology is. There are more than three dimensions. This is a fact. There are 12 dimensions in total. We have biology in these extra dimensions, extra dimensional biology. You can't see why you are alive. The human genome produces a 12-dimensional humanoid with horns on our head. We are designed to live in outer space. We can fly through outer space and have a whole host of other abilities. Scientology is the practice of removing this extra-dimensional biology from themselves while they are still alive. And they use technology and techniques to turn them into upper-dimensional vehicles, biologies in which they can drive through the upper dimensions. These organisms are also known as aliens. They look alien in appearance, and they are remote controlled. People on Earth are driving aliens through our upper dimensions at this very moment. This is Scientology. So for the last 13 years, I have been under attack. They forced me to assimilate. They put hive mind technology in my brain, stole biology, and assimilated it into their storage systems. And it has been hostile ever since. Scientologists kill people. They traffic humans. They torture, rape, murder, molest. And this is why. First off, they are programmed to assault humans. In order to complete their alien forms, they require body parts from other humans and other species. They use body parts from other humans to complete their alien presence or alien biologies. So they steal biologies from people and other species. So they take biologies from reptiles, insects, and worms also. They make reptoids or reptilian people using reptile body parts. They make insectoids or bug people using bug body parts. And they make worm people using worm body parts. So they are programmed to remove biologies from people. The second reason is they force assimilation upon people of interest. If you have any kind of authority, political position, government agency, ties, or in the military, if you're a CIA agent or an FBI agent or a local policeman or a politician or a big business owner that they want to control, they may force you to assimilate so they can control you. Third reason is they take surrogates from the public. This technology gives them the ability to drive any organism that is not their own. They can drive humans, animals, insects, and worms in any dimension. They take surrogates from the earth and from all species. They drive other organisms. So they are programmed to steal life. Then the fourth reason is this technology is having a narcotic-like effect upon them. It elevates neurochemicals and hormones. See, they run energy through their neurons and glands. It elevates neurochemicals such as dopamine, and it elevates hormones such as testosterone. This is having extremely negative psychological effects within these people. It is as if they are on narcotics. They are extremely high. It is causing psychosis, delusions, irritability. They all have irritability syndrome. It is something akin to roid rage with their elevated dopamine and testosterone levels. They're quick to become violent. They harm other people constantly. If you do one little thing to set them off, they will jump on you and start to harm you. Jealousy, pettiness, greed, and toxic masculinity are rampant among these people. They are experiencing something akin to heavy narcotics and steroids. So they're experiencing roid rage. And this is Scientology. So for a full report of everything that has happened, please refer to my other videos. I have to document criminal activity at the moment. So they are assaulting my biology. Part of the heavenly abilities, a part of the abilities of Anunnaki and aliens, is they can see biology's functioning on a molecular level. They can see energy flowing through our brain and central nervous system. And this hive mind technology gives them the ability to feel what each other feels. So they can feel what I feel. They can see what I see, smell what I smell, taste what I taste, hear what I hear. They can feel what I feel. And they are using this ability to assault me. And it started with my psychological medication. See, I'm on psych meds because of this whole ordeal. They keep me calm. So I took some psych medication one day, doctor prescribed, and my nerves had a calming effect on my nerves. They became irate. They started assaulting my brain and central nervous system. They lacerated me from head to toe, assaulting my nervous system. So I couldn't feel my medicines working anymore. They do the same thing to me if I masturbate. They assault my sexual organs. If I try to sleep, if I go to sleep, they assault me in the brain tissue to keep me from sleeping. If I take a drug, I smoke marijuana on occasions. They assault my brain and central nervous system to keep it from functioning, to keep it from working. And that is what they're doing today. My father bought a case of beer. We were working on his truck. He bought a case of beer for us to drink. So I started drinking the beer, and they started assaulting me again in the brain and central nervous system to keep the beer from working. Then they fixed the nerves or repaired the nerves or made them touch each other again to achieve conduits. Then they started working, then they pulled them off again. And I am anticipating marijuana use the day after tomorrow, in the next few days. They are assaulting my brain and central nervous system tissue to keep the marijuana from working on me when I do smoke. I am sick. I'm in pain. I have brain fog. I feel dumbed down. My brain doesn't work like it used to. They're doing the same thing to my animals. So today they have assaulted me in the brain and central nervous system tissue. They have removed nervous tissue from my brain and my spinal column and my back and my stomach to keep me from feeling good. So these are the aliens. This is Scientology. They are remote controlled. People on Earth are driving them through our environment at this very moment. They call themselves lizard people. Some of them do. So there are two types of lizard people. I want to get this out of the way to begin with. So there's the white alien. There are greens, grays, blue bloods, and whites. These are alien versions. So the white alien is turned around facing us. Upon death, we do this function called turning around. We turn around and face the opposite direction. It's like we have a biology on our back. We turn around, face the opposite direction, and fly into outer space. We leave the planet. That is the human afterlife experience. So white aliens are turned around towards us. Some of them wear lizard skins, and some of them have genetic manipulation. Make their skin harder, brings about lizard-like genetics. And these are the two types of lizard people among the alien race. I'm going to make more videos and check in later and explain this whole scenario or whole event in greater detail. I am in need of help. I need help locating the individuals that are invading my home and the individuals that have possession of my biology. And I need to bring them to justice. Make them stop doing what they are doing.